Hi there, and welcome to our video on how to get more freelance translation jobs. Are you a freelance translator looking for more work? Then, you've come to the right place. Today, we're going to show you how to use hashtags to boost your translation career and land more freelance translation jobs. Hashtags are a great way to get your work in front of potential clients. They make your work discoverable on social media platforms like Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn. By using the right hashtags, you can showcase your expertise and increase your visibility in the translation industry. To get started, do some research on the most popular hashtags related to your niche. For example, if you specialize in legal translation, you could use hashtags like hashtag legal translation, hashtag law translations, or hashtag certified legal translator. By using these hashtags, you'll be able to reach people who are looking for a legal translator, and they'll be able to find you easily. Don't forget to also use hashtags related to your language pair, such as hashtag English to Spanish or hashtag German translation. This will make it even easier for potential clients to find you. Now, here's the call to action: start using hashtags today. Add them to your social media profiles, your website, and your portfolio. By doing so, you'll be able to reach more potential clients, showcase your expertise, and get more freelance translation jobs. We hope this video has been helpful and informative. Happy hashtagging!